Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on processing the Titanic dataset for machine learning. My name is Maham and today I'll be walking you through the steps I took to clean and prepare the Titanic dataset for analysis. Let's start by taking a look at the initial dataset. Here I have loaded the Titanic dataset into the Pandas data frame. As you can see, it contains several columns with information about the passengers such as their age, ticket fare and whether they survived or not. Next, I'll demonstrate some of the key pre-processing steps. First, we handle missing values. For example, the age column has some missing entries which we fill with the median age of the passengers. Similarly, the embarked column has some missing values which we filled with the mode or most common value. We also had a column named cabin with high numbers of missing values, so we decided to drop it to avoid skewing our analysis. After handling the missing values, we need to deal with outliers. For example, in the fare column, we identified and removed outliers using the interquartile range method to ensure the data is not skewed. Finally, we need to prepare the data for machine learning by encoding categorical variables and normalizing numerical values. We used one-hot encoding for the sex and embark columns and normalized the fare and age columns to ensure they are on a comparable scale. Now let's dive into the code to see how these pre-processing steps were implemented. Here we start by importing the necessary libraries and loading the dataset using pandas. In this section, we displayed the first few rows of the dataset to understand its structure. For this purpose, we use the head function. In order to show the key statistics, we use the info function that provides a concise summary of the data frame, including the number of non-null entities in each column and their data types. Next, we use the describe function to generate descriptive statistics for the numerical columns in the data frames, including count, median, standard deviation, minimum and maximum values, as well as the 25th, 50th, and 75th percentiles. Next, we displayed the missing values in each column. We notice that the age, embark, and cabin columns have missing values, with cabin having particularly high number of missing entries. Next, we handle missing values. As mentioned earlier, we fill missing age values with the median and embark values with the mode. Here's the code for that. After that, we drop the cabin column due to the high number of missing values. To handle the outliers in the fare column, we use the interquartile range method. This helps us remove extreme values that could skew our analysis. Finally, we transform the data by one-hot encoding categorical variables and normalizing numerical values. This step ensures our data is in the right format for machine learning models. And that's the walkthrough of the pre-processing code. Each of these steps is crucial to ensure our dataset is clean and ready for analysis. In addition to the Jupyter Notebook, I have also prepared a detailed documentation for this project. The documentation includes problem statement, solution overview, challenges and resolutions, instructions for running the code. Throughout this project, I faced several challenges, especially in deciding how to handle missing values and outliers. For example, I chose to fill missing age values with the median because it is less sensitive to the outliers as compared to the mean. I also had to decide on dropping the cabin column due to its high number of missing values, which was a significant decision as it could contain some important information. To summarize, we have covered the pre-processing steps for the Titanic dataset, including handling missing values, removing outliers, and transforming the data for machine learning. I hope this walkthrough has provided you with a clear understanding of how to prepare a dataset for analysis. Thank you for watching my presentation. Have a great day.